Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, Ndamase was playing that TikTok game where it showed your crushes. Well, in this one, it was South African Male Actors Edition. And I was like, oh my gosh, it is clear that Kwenzo is Ndamase's crush. Bandla, she also captioned it by saying, Bandla, my forever crush. Woo, Tagama. If he's not married, I wish that for your girl. I really do, girl, because I understand he is everybody else's crush. I mean, who wouldn't fall for him? Like, really, a true Zul man. Oh, yes, any day. You guys see that I'm also crushing, right? Yeah, I understand you. Yeah, we all feel like that, Mihlali. Believe me, we all feel like that. So please, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next video.